In front of me is HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select System and Updates. Now go to Language and Input, and here you will notice Language and Region. Just click on it and tap on Add Language to pick the one from the following list. Here you've got all the options. And all you have to do is to mark the one that you would like to apply. Let me pick Spanish. Now click to change. And as you can see now, the whole device is in Spanish, so you can smoothly use your device in this new language. And then whenever you would like to change it again, you have to open System and Updates, which is right here. Now go to the languages, pick language, and now you can either remove unnecessary language by marking it and then tap and delete, or you can smoothly add another language and then make it a default one. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.